Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are talking about something that is going to completely blow your mind. This is not just a vehicle. This is a statement. This is the 2026 BMW luxury concept motorhome, and honestly, from the moment you lay your eyes on it, you already know that BMW has taken the entire concept of road travel and flipped it on its head. Let us start with what you see first, and that is the exterior. BMW has gone absolutely all out with this design, and the first thing that hits you is that stunning vivid orange metallic paint. This is not your average orange. It is deep, it is rich, it has layers of metallic flake underneath that shift and shimmer depending on how the light catches it. And paired against those gloss black aerodynamic body panels, it creates this two-tone contrast that feels both aggressive and premium at the same time. The front of this motorhome is unlike anything you have ever seen on a vehicle of this size. BMW has taken their iconic kidney grille design and completely reimagined it on a massive scale. The entire front fascia is essentially one giant illuminated grille unit with LED lighting integrated all the way across. The headlights are full LED matrix units with a very sharp and distinctive light signature that you would recognize as BMW from a mile away. The windshield is a huge panoramic piece of glass, giving the driver incredible forward visibility, and it has heads-up display technology built right into it. Moving along the side profile, and this thing is enormous. It rides on 4 axles, giving it 8 wheels total, and those wheels are something special on their own. They are massive 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels finished in matte gunmetal black with BMW center caps. The low-profile tires stretch across all 8 positions, and the wheel arches are sculpted and wide, giving the whole vehicle this planted muscular stance. Along the body you have a long flush panoramic window strip running the full length of the living area, and the entire side has these flowing character lines that make something this big actually look elegant. The roofline is clean and aerodynamic with an integrated spoiler at the cab, a solar panel array across the rear section of the roof, and a discrete satellite communications dome. Everything sits flush. Nothing looks like an afterthought. The rear of the vehicle carries a full-width LED taillight bar that spans edge to edge, and it glows in a way that just stops traffic. Now let us step inside, because this is where things get truly extraordinary. The moment you walk through that biometric fingerprint entry door and step into the cabin, you are not in a motorhome anymore. You are in a penthouse that happens to move at highway speeds. The dashboard and driver cockpit is pure BMW DNA. There is a massive curved ultra-wide display stretching the full width of the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless screen. The BMW iDrive rotary controller is there, along with full touch capability and voice command. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom M Sport design wrapped in perforated black Napa leather with orange contrast stitching and touch-sensitive controls in the spokes. Ambient lighting runs along the full dashboard in a soft blue-white glow, and the overhead panel has aviation-style switches for the vehicle systems. The living area behind the cab is absolutely stunning. You have L-shaped sofas in black Napa leather with orange accent piping facing each other across a carbon fiber fold-out center table. A large OLED entertainment display is mounted flush on the forward wall. The panoramic side windows flood the space with natural light, and they have electric privacy shading built in. The flooring is a polished concrete look surface with underfloor heating. The kitchen is a proper kitchen. You have a 4-zone induction cooktop flush with the black quartz countertop, under-counter refrigerator and freezer drawers, a built-in microwave and convection oven stacked neatly, and a pull-out pantry. The cabinetry is matte black with chrome hardware, and there is an orange accent strip along the back wall that ties it all together beautifully. The master bedroom at the rear has a queen-size bed with a hydraulically adjustable frame upholstered in black leather, integrated reading lights, a panoramic auto-tinting rear window and built-in wardrobe storage. And the bathroom is a full spa-quality wet room with a frameless glass shower, a floating vanity, a smart toilet and chrome BMW branded fixtures throughout. Now let us talk performance, because this is still a BMW and performance is never an afterthought. The 2026 BMW luxury motorhome runs a parallel hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged inline-6 petrol engine producing 450 horsepower with an electric motor system adding another 200 horsepower for a combined output of 650 horsepower. It rides on an adaptive air suspension system across all 4 axles, which means despite the size and weight, the ride quality inside is whisper smooth. The vehicle can also run in full electric mode for urban and campsite driving with a range of approximately 80 kilometers on battery alone. Now for the price. The 2026 BMW Luxury Concept Motorhome is positioned at the very top of the ultra-premium motorhome segment. The base configuration is expected to start at around $1.2 million with fully loaded versions reaching up to $1.8 million depending on customization options. BMW is producing this in very limited numbers, making it genuinely exclusive. This is without question one of the most ambitious vehicles ever put on for axles, and BMW has executed every single detail to perfection. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button and subscribe to MH Car Review for more content like this. We will see you in the next one.